Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Comerica Bank mobile banking service. So if you want to get acquainted with Comerica Bank's mobile banking service, it will enable you to navigate your life and your wealth. It will help you view your account balances and activity, also helps you to withdraw or transfer any form of money along with paying your bills. Not just this, there are a lot of other services, and if you want to really get intact with it, stick with me till the end of this video to figure out how you can log in so you can perform all of these activities. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Comerica mobile app on your device, and then head over to the app. As the app loads, you will land on an interface that looks pretty much like this, where you'll have to enter your user ID on this section and then enter your password over this section. After doing that, make sure that you also save your user ID so that you don't have to keep typing it over and over again as you try to log into your account, and then tap on login, and then you'll get logged into your account. You can also tap on login with Touch ID in order to enable your Touch ID so that in the future you don't also have to enter your password over again. So this way you can log into your account. It's a very simple process, and I hope that I've guided you through it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and push that bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you around next time.